Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to learn how to do the typewriter pull-up. We're going to start with regular pull-ups. I do recommend you do at least 15 regular pull-ups before you move on and start attempting a typewriter pull-up. Your next step is to do wide pull-ups with a thumb over grip. I recommend you be able to do at least 10 of these before moving on to a typewriter pull-up. After that, you're going to work on a wide grip pull-up static hold for 3 to 5 seconds at the top, 4 reps. And after that, you're going to do an archer pull-up. You're going to have a wide grip with thumb over the bar. Keep your elbow in and your extended arm straight as you pull up. You're going to pause at the top and then come back down and do the other side. Next, you're ready for the typewriter pull-up. Perform a wide grip pull-up with a thumb over grip while maintaining your head over the bar. Slowly shift your working weight to one side, keeping your elbow tucked in and your opposite arm fully extended and press down for support. Slowly shift to the other side. And there you have the typewriter pull-up.